welcome to another tutorial on Zoom. In today's video, we'll talk about statistics and keyboard shortcuts available in Zoom. To be able to access the statistics and keyboard shortcuts section, simply click this gear icon and select the statistics section. Here, it displays system statistics and diagnostics. As you can see here, there are 4 different tabs in the overall section. It shows your computer CPU, information, and usage utilized by Zoom, and the amount of RAM available in your computer and its usage. It also displays other statistics like bandwidth, which is the amount of data being transmitted by Zoom. Network type, that displays what network type you are connected to. Proxy, connection type, data center, my encryption algorithm, and lastly, version. In the audio section, it shows related audio statistics when Zoom is using your computer audio. Statistics shown are frequency, which is the audio frequency sampler rate being sent and received in Zoom, in which higher frequency equates to better audio quality. Latency, which is the delay between packet being sent and received. Higher latency equates to larger delay times between data being sent and data being received. Then we have jitter, which is the variation in the time between packets arriving, caused by network congestion, timing drift, or route changes. And lastly, packet loss, which is the amount of data that fails to be transmitted. The video tab shows related video statistics when Zoom is using your webcam. Latency, packet loss, resolution, which is the amount of pixels per dimension that is displayed by your webcam, and lastly, frames per second, which is the frequency or rate at which frames are displayed and produced by your webcam. The last tab shows screen sharing statistics when sharing or viewing other screen share. Statistics shown are latency, jitter, packet loss, resolution, and lastly, frames per second. The keyboard shortcuts can be really useful as it is a feature that enables you to assign computer keys to specific functions. This allows for easy, fast, and convenient access to various Zoom functions and features. In this section, you're able to change your keyboard shortcuts. There are also tick boxes beside each shortcut, which allows global shortcuts. This means the shortcuts can be triggered even if the Zoom application is not in focus. If you would like to restart everything, the button on the bottom right allows you to restore default. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned new features from this tutorial. Stay tuned for the next tutorial about Zoom, and leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. See you next time.